What is going on, everybody? Today you're in for an exciting day because there's going to be a lot of changes around here at Kosmos, and I'm going to bring you along with it. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, I saw you do it. I'm trying to find whoever messed up this pallet, sir. I saw him do it.
What the?
He touched it.
Is that you, Tommy?
Yeah, I think it was Wes, but I mean,
Coop, is that you?
No, we're gonna stick quality control on you guys. You do not want that. Look, gloves are clean. Wasn't us.
That's right. All right, so here's the deal. We've been busy. We've been real busy, and that's good, right? So this is kind of about a year in the making. We've actually rented this place. We've been in here for about a year and a half, right? Isn't that right, Wes? Almost 2 years. Almost 2 years.
Yeah, August is 2.
Yeah, that's right. We actually have another warehouse behind us too. I've showed you guys that before in a previous video, but we have a brand new warehouse, 12,000 square feet. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all that room, but I'm gonna take you over there, let you take a peek at it, and then when we're done, all the guys that are moving, we're gonna cook them a steak lunch with some, probably some restaurant fries from H&H. I don't want to fry anything. It's raining outside, so we'll just go buy some French fries down there. All right, so hey, let's go.
What are we in today?
We're in the Toyota Tacoma. I love tacos so much, I bought a taco.
A Tacoma?
A Tacoma. Blanco taco. The white taco.
Went out and got the opposite of the Dodge.
This is the opposite, although we are going to put a 6-inch lift on it. I think that's going to be cool. 6-inch lift with 35s. Don't you think?
That would look good, yeah.
This is a big place, man. I don't know. Like, look, got the 1-ton in here. Chuck's little Segway thing may not be a bad idea. Or one wheel. Have you seen the one wheel?
He'll kill himself on a one wheel.
He'll run through the wall. But yeah, this is it. This is going to be Kosmos HQ. All the garage doors. Well, it's nice. It's nice. I like it.
He only does this when the cameras are rolling.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna run these about 250 degrees till they get an internal temp. I think I'm gonna run them about till when they hit like 97, pull them off, crank it up to, I'll probably just crank it to 650 to be honest with you, and then put them back on, throw the grill grates on and get some sear marks and feed the guys. That's what we're gonna do. But I'm excited about the compound butter. You should, this compound butter, it's a blue cheese compound butter, but it's gonna be phenomenal on these steaks.
Make it look easy, man.
I try, man. Can't forget this.
Ooh, what do we use?
Little pecan.
Oh.
Oh, look at these beauties. Boys, they're good looking rigs right here. Without further ado, let's season these suckers. Gotta get the ends, man. You know, a lot of people say, leave the fat on. They don't understand. This is hard fat. I guess if you like that kind of stuff, man, knock yourself out. But me personally, not a fan. All right. Ready to cook these suckers. Boy, these guys are gonna eat good today. Come help us move warehouses, you get a steak lunch. That's a pretty good trade-off. Let's stick it in this little fat sucker right here. This is one I don't want to screw up. Boom, perfect. All right. We cook it with grease now, suckers. Now we do, just wait. I got the probe set at 97. I want to know when it's 97. I'm gonna try a little bit different this time. Just bring that temperature down. I want some harder grill marks. Back that order up. Back that up.
What's up, man?
We're at 85.
Oh, we better get out there. Looking good. 96. I'm gonna call it. Hold on, let me grease them. Gotta grease them. Woo.
Give you a little duck fat facial.
Yeah. Hey, look, a little smoking hot. All right, baby. Here, it's already gearing up. I'm gonna do 675. I don't think I have enough here to tuck them in. Oh, yeah, we do. I'm looking for some nice hash marks. Here we go. Oh, man, come on. Yeah, almost done. Little blue cheese butter on top. Ooh, these are gonna be good, son. With some French fries, some French fries and onion rings. Amazing. That is what I am talking about. And for those of you that have never made compound butter, and you like blue cheese, or you can leave the blue cheese out, but the recipe is all down below. Go down there, print it out, make it super easy on yourself. Ooh-wee. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching, and don't forget about our giveaway. We're giving away one of these master belts, so click the first link down in the description. Go over there, get signed up, and you never know, you could be our next winner. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. That is so stinking good.